Good morning, dear students. Warm welcome to this session. You are watching Here to Start Class 5 Science Term.1 Examination Revision Part 1. Dear children, Term.1 exam is going to start on December 1st, Tuesday. You will get Term.1 examination timetable, syllabus and question pattern for all the subjects through our school app. Now we are going to see the science portion and question pattern for Term.1 exam. Dear children, you have to study first 5 lessons for exam. Lesson 1, Reproduction in Plants. Lesson 2, Lifestyles of Animals. Lesson 3, Bones and Muscles. Lesson 4, the Nervous System. Lesson 5, Food and Health. First, we can see the question pattern. Total marks 50. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. 3, write true or false. 4, match the following. 5, give 2 examples. 6, identify the pictures. 7, answer the following. Any 7 out of 10. 8, draw the diagram and label the parts. Can you understand the question pattern, dears? Students, now we will see how to study for exam. Step 1. Read the lessons thoroughly in your book. Step 2. Study the remember box and keywords box content. If you are studying this thoroughly, you can write answers for all the one-word questions easily. So, read and study this for all the 5 lessons. Step 3. Study the bookwork exercises thoroughly. Step 4. Read and study the classwork notes. You can write on your own in the exam. No need to mug up. Just read and understand the concept and write it on your own. Is it clear, children? Step 5. Find and study 2 marks questions like what is pollination, what is habitat, what is migration, why do animals migrate, what is reflex action, like that. Then you have to find the question and answer inside the lesson. Use the classwork notebook for your reference. Step 6. Diagram practice. Parts of the flower, structure of the seed, fish, frog and brain diagram. For brain diagram, you have to refer the page number 31 in your book. Draw and practice this diagram. Any 2 diagram will come. Dear children, if you are following these 6 steps properly, you can score good marks easily in your Term.1 examination. Now I will give quick revision for lesson 1, 2 and 3. What are the concepts you have to study in these lessons? I will say now. Lesson 1, Reproduction in Plants. What you have to learn in this lesson? What is reproduction? Parts of the flowers, different ways of reproduction, what is pollination, structure of the seed and parts, what is dicotyledons and monocotyledons, What is plumule and radicle? Dispersal of seed. Agents of seed dispersal. What is germination? Examples of reproduction through stems, roots, leaves and spores. Two types of crops, fertilizers and two types of fertilizers also. Can you understand, dears? Next, lesson 2, lifestyles of animals. We have to learn what is habitat, different types of body coverings with examples, types of breathing organs with examples, classification of animals by their eating habits with examples, different ways of movement and migration also. Next, lesson 3, bones and muscles. In this lesson, you have to learn about what is skeletal system, ligaments, what is bone marrow, skull and number of bones, spine and number of bones, rib cage and number of bones in hands and feet, joints and types of joints, what are muscles and types of muscles also. Students, the remaining 2 lessons concept we will see in our next video session. We will see the model question paper also. It will help you to revise well. Dear children, the paper presentation is very important, isn't it? Use only ruled paper. Don't use A4 sheet. Leave a line and write neatly. In your ruled paper, the top right corner, write your name, roll number, class 5 and date of the examination. Write science term.1 exam on the top red margin in center. This is a common pattern for all the subjects. Dear children, after completing one Roman letter, that means choose, fill ups, match it, true or false, you have to draw a line neatly with pencil. Look at this picture like that. For answer the following, after completing each question and answer, you have to draw a line. Is it clear, children? Draw the diagram neatly and label the parts with pencil. Dear children, start to study. Don't waste your time. It's time to study. We will see the model question paper in our next video session. Okay, dear children. Thank you.